Welcome back to eCreativeAid. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy meal that makes you feel full all day long. First, we need toast. You can use any kind, but I used whole grain bread to add another healthy dimension to the meal. Toast the bread a little on the grill. We also need slices of smoked chicken breasts. You can use shredded mozzarella cheese or any other kind of cheese. We also need crunchy pickles, fresh and juicy tomato slices, and pieces of green lettuce. When the bread is hot, put the cheese, then the tomatoes, the pickles, and the slices of chicken, then the lettuce, and the piece of bread. This is it. Enjoy! Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.